think about the future in terms of the economy, the environment, and the society. Where do we want to be? Who do we want to be? And how do we want to live?
I'm here on the beautiful Southern Oregon University campus to highlight a years-long project that's gaining some serious momentum. The university's Institute of Applied Sustainability. There's some unique and groundbreaking work happening in sustainability and energy resilience right here on campus. And thanks to a very generous gift from Lithia and Driveway, that mission is only expanding. And together, they're driving futures forward. What is sustainability? I hear that word a lot.
Sustainability, to me, is about building better systems, thinking about the community, and thinking about environment, social factors, and economic factors when we make decisions, but actually seeing how they can all work together to bring a benefit to a decision or something that we're doing or infrastructure that we're building or a system that we're thinking about.
I feel like this is a perfect example right where we are of what sustainability looks like.
Yes, this is an area where we're really kind of pushing forward at SOU with our solar goals and generating more solar on campus. We now have 12 arrays across campus, generating renewable energy, and we're building in energy resilience into future projects. And we think about it in terms of our landscaping, in terms of our water use, our energy use, our material use on campus, but we also think about it in terms of what we teach and how we're teaching and building it into our curriculum.
This is our flagship curricular program at IAS, the Institute for Applied Sustainability. It's a year-long experiential program for students in any major. And our idea was to build something that would be fueled by students' passions rather than their, say, career objectives. So that way, and we're actually quite proud of it. I think it's something that is going to really lead to significant change. With a philanthropic gift, with a big push like that, it forces us to ask big questions about how we want to do education, who we want to include in that. And the impact of the gift really set the tone for the Institute for Applied Sustainability, because it gave us an opportunity to build programs where our curricular side of campus, our classroom side, our learning side, and our physical infrastructure, like our renewable energy infrastructure, where they have a vested interest in each other now.
What kind of skills are students learning?
They're going to have the ability to do data analysis. They're going to be able to engage policies and understand the intricacies of language and vocabulary of different stakeholders. They're going to be agents of change because they're going to have this confidence from that experiential leadership and applications that they've been able to do in the field that's going to just give them something that is an edge over other graduates. The classroom is the outside world. Learning problem-solving skills, taking that conceptual knowledge about sustainability, immersing themselves in tangible field work that's helping them understand those concepts in the classroom in real-life practice.
I was a member of the local innovation lab. I did a project surrounding mission-aligned investing and kind of explored what that is, what it could look like at universities. We got a little bit more specific and talked about what it could look like at SOU. I spent a lot of time connecting with community members and administration at the university just to shop the idea around, explore like what are the next questions we need to ask. And that was a huge takeaway from this. I took away so many different like project management skills, collaboration skills, all these kind of soft skills of connecting with people and figuring out how to work with people who have different backgrounds, different personalities and stuff. And that was super, super helpful. It's something I've carried into my government relations work. It's something I've carried back into the classroom of learning kind of my own boundaries and how to manage these large scale projects.
For higher education, this is the future. We're equipping the future workforce, the future innovators with the right tools.
In this moment with higher ed, wondering and searching for its relevance, I think transformational experiences for students is the most noble thing that we can offer right now.